ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। The last class we were seeing the declension of Nakaranta Shabda, Rajan Shabda. In the infant reader, a Shabda came, Naman Shabda. So that is the connection. Naman is Nakarantaha Napumsakalinga. Nama Namani Namani iti. So I thought we'll introduce the declension of Nakaranta Shabda starting from Pullinga. Pullinga, then we can do Napumsakalinga. How Nakaranta Shabda is derived without sutra, of course. How it is derived. So Rajan, the Shabda is Nakarantaha and it is Pullingaha. Rajan Shabdaha. So it's a Halanta Shabda, the Shabda ending with the consonant. The consonant being Nakara. So Rajan plus the Pratyas will come. So the Su, Aujas, Amochas, all these Pratyas will come after the Pratipadikam. One common rule to be remembered, we know it very well, still I am saying, you can always note this. One common rule for Halanta Shabda is, not only for Halanta Shabda, even for Dirga, Ikaranta, Akaranta Shabda, that we will see later. A common rule is the Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya. Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya will become lopaha. The pratyaya which is apruktaya kal will become lopaha following the pratipadikam. When it follows the pratipadikam. What is apruktam? The question may come. Apruktam is ekal pratyaya is called apruktam. The pratyaya whose content is eka al. It is one letter. One lettered pratyaya is called apruktam. So you can note for all alanta shabda, this will apply. This is a common rule. Pratyaya kal pratyaya lopaha bhavati. So therefore, not only here, the case of Subanta we are seeing, not only here, later we will see in Tinganta, in Kriya Padam derivation also we will see for the third Gana, seventh Gana and all we will see. There also a Pratyaya kal pratyaya is there. Where it is there? In Lang Lakara Atmanepadi. Takara tam an sakara tam ta. There takara sakara. All these are ekal pratyaya. Pratyaya having only eka al, one letter. In Subanta context, the su is ekal. Su 1-1. 1-1, not only 1-1, also 8-1. 1-1 as well as 8-1. The content of su is sakara. So ekal pratyaya. So in the Subanta, this su is only pratyaya. 1-1 or 8-1 is only pratyaya whose content is ekal. You can see yes, you can see here su aujas sammochas tabhyambis nebhyambyas nasibhyambyas nes osam ni osup then su aujas. The su, the content is sakara. Wherever nasalized vowel is there, they are ith letter. That is only a packing letter. That should not be considered, therefore, to be dropped. So su is that nasalized vowel that is dropped. The content is sakara. So 8-1 and 1-1. So mainly 1-1 is what is required. Okay, this is ekal pratyaya. Following a halanta pratipadika will become lopaha. This is a common rule. We can remember this simple rule. Second thing is this 8-1. That is also su. This su has got a name, Sambuddhi. It has got a name, Sambuddhi. And here what you see, the colors. Last class we saw. I just want to show with the colors. Su out, just out. These pratyas are called Sarvanamasthana pratyaya for Pullinga and Strilinga. We are dealing with Pullinga only now. Napumsakalinga we will see later. For Napumsakalinga, Sarvanamasthana pratyaya is just and shas only. So this is for Pullinga. So su out, just out. You can see the color coding. So it is Sarvanamasthana pratyaya. And Sambodhana Pratama also, so just Sarvanamasthana pratyaya. The rest of the pratyas starting from Shas onwards, they are Asarvanamasthana pratyaya. Na Sarvanamasthana pratyaya, Asarvanamasthana pratyaya. So now, among the Asarvanamasthana pratyaya, the pratyas which begin with akara or yakara. The pratyas which begin with akara or yakara. begin with yakara, you will not see here. It comes in some other places, in Tadita and all, you will see. So among these, we are dealing only with Supratyaya. So here you can see Pratyaya beginning with Akara, you can take Akara, Yakara generally. Yakara, Yakaradi Pratyas are not there in Supratyas. Therefore, you can take this Pratyas beginning with, I said Akara because mainly you will see Akara here. Pratyaya beginning with Ach, vowel. Ajadi Pratyaya, what are Ajadi Pratyas? That is Shas. First you have to spot the Ajadi Pratyas. Pratyaya beginning with Ach. Here only mainly Akara is Akara and Okara also is. Therefore you can take Ajadi. Akara, Okara, also Akara, Ikara also is. So take Ajadi, not Akara, Ajadi Pratyas. Pratyaya beginning with Ajadi Pratyas. What are they? You have to spot it out. Shas is one Pratyaya. Whose content is us only. Shakara is Ita letter. Shakara is Ita letter and the content is us only. So you can note Shakara is Ita letter. Similarly, Ta is there, whose content is A. Takara is Ita letter. And Nye, the content is A. Nasi, the content is us. Nas, the content is us. Os is Os only. Am is Am only. Ni is A. Sorry, E is the content. Os is Os only. These pratyas are the pratyas beginning with Ach, vowel. Then the other pratyas, which are in yellow color, you can see, beginning with consonant. Bhyam, bis, bhyam, vyas, bhyam, vyas, again, sup. Here, su is not that, u is not ita letter. The content is su only. Content is su. Pakara only is ita letter. Su is the content. So beginning with sakara, therefore haladi pratyaya. Therefore, we can divide the asarvanamasthana pratyaya into two. One is ajadi, other one is haladi. Now, the pratyas which begin with, for our understanding, you can take haladi pratyaya here, or other than ajadi pratyaya. Either you can say pratyaya beginning with haladi or the pratyaya beginning with other than ajadi pratyaya. When those pratyas follow the anga, that is the pratipadikam. These pratyas follow the pratipadikam, right? The pratipadikam will get the sanya padam. So when the pratyas other than ajadi, that is haladi, pratyas follow the pratipadikam. The pratipadikam gets a sanya padam. Therefore, all the pada vidhi can be applied. Like many pada vidhis we have seen in Sandhi context. So all those vidhis can be applied. Like just Sandhi, number 1, number 2, all those things can be applied. So the pratyas which are ajadi pratyas, like shas, ta, nye, that is 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 1. These are all ajadi pratyas. When these pratyas follow, these are asarvanamasthana pratyas. We are dealing only with now asarvanamasthana pratyaya. When asarvanamasthana pratyaya beginning ajadi follows, then the pratipadikam gets bhasanya. So what is bhasanya? What is padasanya? This should be very clear. Okay, this knowledge is very important. So 3 things you have to remember. One is one-lettered pratyaya is called apruktam, and that aprukta ekal pratyaya following a halanta pratipadika will become lopaha. That is number 1. If the apruktam is a hal, then the apruktam will become lopaha when it follows the halanta prakriti, that is pratipadika. This is number 1. You need to remember. I given examples here. Marut plus Su, all those things we have seen. Su is, the content is Sakara, which is Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya. Therefore, Sakara will become Lopaha because it follows the Halanta Pratipadikam. Therefore, you get Marut. This Marut is different from this Marut. This Marut is Pratipadikam, whereas this is a Padam. So, Marut Pratipadikam is now a Padam. It has become a Padam. Even though the Pratyaya Sakara has become Lopaha and it is not seen, but the Pratyaya has done the job of converting into a Padam. Similarly, Jalamuch. All the Jalamuch and all we have seen before. Jalamuch also, this is an example to show that Jalamuch plus Su, that is Aprukta Pratyaya becomes Lopaha. Therefore, Jalamuch becomes Jalamuch. This Jalamuch is a, now it has become a Padam. And this now Padam, because it is a Padam, therefore, Padam beginning, ending with Chakara. Therefore, you can apply that Padanta Chavarga will be replaced by corresponding Kavarga letter. Those Kutva Vidhi and all we can apply. The further condition is it should be a Padam or followed by a Jal letter. Here it is a Padam. That is why the Sanya is important. Why we say here it is a Padam. Similarly, Jalamuch, when this Jalamuch Pratipadikam is followed by a Haladi Pratyaya, then also it gets a Padasanya. When it followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, there it doesn't get Padasanya. Wherever it is Padam, then the Padanta Vidhi can be applied. Here it is Jalamuch is a Padam. Therefore, Chavarga letter at the end will become corresponding Kavarga letter. And after that, you can apply Jashwasanji, become Jalamuk, or replaced by the Kar letter, Chartuvidi, number 1. So, Jalamuk. So, here, the common rule is Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya become Lopaha following the Pratipadikam. This is number 1. Number 2. Number 2 is what is Basanya, what is Padasanya. That we saw in the last class, and that's I now explained also. That is Padasanya. I think I've typed it here. Here you can see. When a Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, except Sambuddhi, okay, not this one, this here. So, where is that? Just a minute. I explained what is Pa and what. Yeah, here it is. What is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya? We know. What is Asarvanamasthana? Na Sarvanamasthana, Asarvanamasthana. So the pratyas other than Sarvanamasthana pratyas are Asarvanamasthana pratyaya. Now when the Ajadi Asarvanamasthana pratyaya, when the pratyas other than Ach, when the pratyas beginning with Ach, other than Ach, we are going to see Aladi, that's different. When the pratyaya beginning with Ach, the vowel, Ajadi Asarvanamasthana pratyaya follows the Anga. Otherwise, in this context, it is called Pratipadikam. Get the Sanya, Ba. So, what is Ba Sanya? That is number 2. You need to remember. Important. Then, when the Haladi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, then the Anga, in this context, it is Pratipadikam, will get the Sanya, Padam. So, these 3 things are basic things applicable for all. Suganta, need to remember these 3 important rules. So with this three, now we will do the declension of Rajan Shabda. Rajan Shabda, what we were seeing, and I introduced one rule in the Rajan Shabda. Prathama Vibhakti for Ekavachanam, we saw. These 3 are common rules, what I told. Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya will become Lopaha. Then number 2 is 2 Sanya Sutra, one is Prasagya, other one is Padasagya. This is a special Pada Sanya. Padam Sanya is ordained for even the Pratipadikam when it is followed by other than Ajadi Pratyaya, that is Aladi Pratyaya. Generally, what is a Padam? Suptingantam Padam. Suptingantam Padam. Subanta context, the Pratipadika ending with a Supratyaya. This is a general definition. Now we are extending the Padasagnya even for the Pratipadikam when it is followed by Haladi Asaranamasthana. That condition also important. Asaranamasthana Haladi Pratyaya. Therefore, 3-2, 3-3, 4-2, 4-3, 5-2, 5-3, and 7-3. When these pratyas follows, Anga gets Padasagnya. So these three things you need to remember. We have seen in Ashtadhyayi and all very elaborately. But if at all, if again confusion comes, so that's why I'm explaining in detail. Now, having known what is Basagnya, Padasagnya in this context, we saw one rule for the context of Rajan Shabda, that is the first rule. When a Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, except Sambuddhi I told, Pratama, Sambodhana Pratama, 8-1 is called Sambuddhi, it's a Sanya. Like Basagnya, similarly Sambuddhi is a Sanya. Guna Sanya, Vritti Sanya. Similarly, Sambuddhi is a Sanya. What is Sambuddhi? 8-1. Sambodhana Pratama is called Sambuddhi. So when a Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, except Sambuddhi, follows a Nakaranta Pratipadikam, then what happens? Then the Upada of the Pratipadikam will become Dirghaha. It means when Sambuddhi Pratyaya follows, it will not become Dirgha. That is why Rajan Shabda, if you see, He Rajan, 8-1 will be He Rajan. So, therefore, when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows Nakaranta, now you can see Rajan plus Su. So, is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Rajan is a Pullinga, therefore, Su is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. So, when Rajan follows, the Upada gets Dirgha. Upada must be a verbal, then only Dirgha is possible. Dirgha is, when we say, what can become Dirgha? Only Ach can become Dirgha. Therefore, Upada being the Akara, the Akara will become Dirgha, you get Rajan.
What is the rule, Ji, here?
What is the
rule?
Hello, okay. What is it? Sarvanamasthane cha asambuddhau. That's a rule.
Okay.
See that? So, Sarvanamasthane cha asambuddhau, that is a rule 6-4. 8, I think. 6-4-8. Okay. That rule we will see later. So that Upada becomes Dirgha. Therefore, Rajan, Atman, all this you can see. Then I have written here Su has got the name Sambuddhi. I'm modifying these notes. I'll send you later. This all these things we have seen in the last class. Then the third rule, what we saw. Now we have the form Rajan, Atman, Mahima. That is not complete because Rajan Shabda declined Raja, Rajano, Rajana. Pratama Vivakti Ekavachanam is Raja. So the Nakara has to go. Therefore, another rule is there. What is that rule? The Nakara at the end of the Pratipadikam, it is also a Padam. That will become Lopaha, Nalopa Pratipadikantasya. So Nakara at the end of the Padam, and Nakara, that is the end letter of the Pratipadikam also. Here, Rajan plus Sa, Sakara. Sakara is a Ekal Pratyaya, becomes Lopaha. Therefore, before becoming Lopaha, what will happen? The Sakara is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, not a Sambuddhi. Therefore, Upada Dirgatvam Bhavati. After that, this Sakara being a Pratyaya, following the Halanta Pratipadikam becomes Lopaha. Therefore, Rajan is there. Now, Rajan is a Padam. Rajan is a Pratipadikam. Rajan is a padam. And nakara at the end of the padam, and nakara at the end of the pratipadikam. That nakara, what will happen? Will become lopaha, not pratipadikanta nakara. Nakara also should be enjoy the status of padanta nakara. That is condition. Condition is it should be the padanta nakara and also pratipadikanta nakara. Then that nakara will become lopaha. So therefore, what will happen? Rajan plus su. You get Rajan. Now Rajan is a padam. And nakara is pratipadikanta nakara as well as padanta nakara. That nakara goes away. You have Raja. Similarly, Atman plus su. Here what will happen? You get Atman. And after that, nakara goes away. Atma. Atma, Atmanu, Atmanaha iti rupam. Right? Similarly, Magiman, all the Shabda you can see. Magiman becomes Magima. What are the rules applied? Just Su Apratyaya Kal Pratyaya, whose content is only one letter, Sakara, following Alanta. This becomes Lopaha. But before becoming Lopaha, what will happen? This Su being a Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, not a Sambuddhi. That condition always you have to say, not a Sambuddhi. So when that follows, Nakaranta Shabdasya Upada Dirgatvam Bhavati, therefore Magiman, it will happen. Then after that, this Sapratyaya Kalpratyaya will become Lopaha. Therefore, Magiman you will have. And now Nakara will become Lopaha by the above rule. You can get the form Magima. So remember the rules. Then Brahman Shabda is, if you decline Pullinga, form would be Brahma. Apumsakalinga also is that is different. We will see that later. So Brahman will become Brahma. See all the Nakaranta Shabda, if you see the Shabda Manjari, you will see the Pratama Vibhakti will be like this: Raja, Atma. Yuvan and Magavan, they are different. Magava also is there, Iva also is there, also it is applied only. But some more rules are there for that. Even Shabda, Nakaranta Shabda, you can see Shabda Manjari. Even Bhagavan, those also Nakaranta Shabda. Even Karin Shabda you take. Karin Shabda also, the same thing is applied. Karin Shabda, it is Inanta. Okay, let me type this. Karin, it is not Ananta, it is Inanta. Karin plus Su. It is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Okay. If Karin becomes Su, the Asaranamasthana Pratyaya Sambuddhi follows. Therefore, Nakara follows the Nakaranta Shabda. Therefore, Upada Dirgatvam Bhavati. Karin becomes then Sakara. The Sakara will become Lopaha as it is Aprukta following a Halanta Pratipadikam. So, therefore, what will happen? You have Karin, then Nakara as like the Bo rule. That Nakara goes away. Therefore, you have Kari, Karinau, Karinaha. So, whether it is Ananta or Inanta, Karin Shabda is in Anta, ending with in. Akara is the preceding vowel is Ikara. Rajan is Ananta. Akara at the end, preceded by Akara. So Ananta, Inanta. There are some differences. We are going to see. When you see other vibhaktis, other forms, you will see some differences. Pratama vibhakti anyway, these are the sequence set of rules you have to apply. Right? Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, Ji.
Is it clear what is Bhasagya and Parasagya? Because I have seen always you have this doubt. What is ba? Which is what is padam? Padam supting antam padam general rule. That which ends with sup pratyaya, ting pratyaya is a padam. Now that padasanya is extended even to pratipadikam when followed by the haladi asravanamastana pratyaya like vyam, vyam, bis, etc. That you remember. 3-2, 3-3, 4-2, 4-3, 5-2, 5-3, and 7-3. The rest of the asravanamastana pratyaya, when those pratyaya follows, pratipadikam gets basanya. This is simple, not difficult. So you can remember this because I have seen always this confusion coming. That is why repeating again and again. So make this very clear so that no confusion henceforth. Okay, now with this we'll continue. Now Rajan Pratama Vibhakti we have done. Then Dvitiya Vibhakti is simple. Rajan plus Au. That also we have done last class. Rajan Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Rajan plus Au, it is all Dvivachanam. Rajan plus Au. Au is what pratyaya? Sravanamastana pratyaya. Su just out. So therefore, upada dirgatvam bhavati. When Sravanamastana pratyaya follows, upada dirgatvam. Remember, Rajan. Then Rajan plus Au. The pratyaya stays, doesn't go away. So it is Au, not this is Au, it will not go away. The why doesn't go away? Okay, that condition also important. I took it for granted apratyakal pratyaya as what? As a consonant. This is a verbal. Therefore, it will not go away. Apratyakal, what is apratyakal pratyaya? Apratyakal pratyaya means it is eka al pratyaya, one letter. This is also one letter. Then it should go away. No, this is ach. Therefore, this apratyakal pratyaya, the rule says there that if the apratyakal pratyaya is a consonant, hal, I have written there in the last class we saw also, if the apruktam is a hal. When I say aprukta ekal pratyaya lopaha is, you have to understand it is hal. We have seen the last class and I have written here also. If the apruktam is a hal, then the hal will go away. Okay. Here it is au. Au is aprukta only. It's a eka al pratyaya, one lettered pratyaya. That will not go because it is a consonant. Therefore, Rajan plus au, Rajanau. Okay. You may have confusion at different levels. That is why clarifying this au is aprukta, but it is not hal. Similarly, Atman plus au becomes Atman plus au, then Atmanau. Upada dirgatvam, then after that just joining. Similarly, Mahima, Mahimanau, Mahiman becomes Mahimanau. Then Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam, just, Su au just is Sravanamastana pratyaya. It is not apruktam. As, the content is as, so Rajan plus as, but it is Sravanamastana pratyaya. Therefore, Upada dirgatvam happens. Therefore, you have Raja, Rajan plus as becomes Rajanas. Padanta Sakara, you can apply all the Padanta Vidhi. Sakara becoming Iru, Repa, and Rajanaha. So Raja, Rajanav, Rajanaha. Similarly, Atma, Atmanav, Atmanaha. Mahima, Mahimanav, Mahimanaha. Okay. Then, okay, now here we'll explain later what I'm going to say now. What about for Karin Shabda? What is Pratama Vibhakti declension for Karin?
Kari, Karinau, Karinaha.
Kari,
Karinau, Karinaha.
Karinav, Karinaha. Kari, how it came, we saw, like Raja, Kari came. Karin plus au will become Karin plus au or Karin plus just.
Yeah, Karinau. Yeah.
Is it Karin now? When you just add, you will get.
Karin plus au.
If you do like Rajan Shabda, Ratman Shabda, Magiman
Kari, Dirgatvam,
Oh,
Kari,
Dirgha is there.
Upada Dirga.
that will not happen. That will not
Okay.
happen for Karin Shabda. Therefore, I said Karin is a Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It is fine, same as Rajan and the Nakaranta Shabda, but Vibhachanam and all, the Dirgatvam doesn't happen. Therefore, for Innanta, we can just infer from the for the Innanta Pratipadikam, only when Asambuddhisu, Sarvanamasthana Asambuddhisu Pratyaya follows, Dirgatvam happens, not for other Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, right?
Okay. Yeah.
That is going to come. That is also a rule. The next sutra is there in the sutra. Sarvanamasthane cha Asambuddham in and Pusham Ariyam Nam Sau iti. It is there. You will see that later. I'm just saying. Kari now only, not Kari now. Okay. That is the diff. That is why we classify the Nakaranta Shabda into Ananta, Innanta, like that we classify. So this is Upada Dirgatvam is for Ananta Shabda, not for Innanta. Okay. Upada Dirgatvam for Innanta happens only for Asambuddhi, Sarvanamasthana, Supratyaya follows. Okay. Not for the other Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Whereas for Ananta Shabda, for all the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, Upada Dirgatvam happens. Is it clear?
Yes, Jia.
So later, when you go through the notes, if you have doubts, you have to understand. This Upada Dirgatvam is only for Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya, which is Sarvanamasthana Asambuddhi Supratyaya. For other, when other Pratyaya follows, Upada Dirgatvam for Innanta will not happen. Whereas for Rajan and Dal, it happens. Rajano, not Rajano, Rajano. Whereas Karin is Karino. You will see, we are going to see that Karin Shabda later. But it's all introduction, so keep in your mind. This is okay. Now Pratama Vibhakti done. Then Dvitiya Vibhakti. Pratyaya is Am. Am is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. When we deal with Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, then only you have to remember Bhasanya, Parasanya. Now these are all Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Therefore, whatever the rules apply when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, that you have to apply. What is the rule when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows the Nakaranta, Ananta Pratipadikam, Upada Dirgatvam happens. That is the main rule you have to remember. The main rule what you have to remember for Ananta Pratipadikam is when the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Upada Dirgatvam happens. Ananta. So Rajan plus Am being a Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya will become Rajan plus Am. After that, just Melanam, Rajanam. Similarly, Atmanam, Mahimanam. This is 2-1. Then 2-2, out is a Pratyaya, same as the 1-2. Out is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Su just out for Pullinga. When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Ananta Pratipadikam. For Ananta Pratipadikam, Upada Dirgatvam Bhavati. Therefore, Rajan, Rajano, Atma, Atmano. Sorry, Atmanam, Atmano. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Atmano, then Mahimano, iti Rupam. So all Sarvanamasthana forms we have done. Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows those forms we have done. So Raja, Rajano, Rajanaha, Rajanam, Rajano, Atma, Atmano, Atmanaha, Atmanam, Atmano. So Sarvanamasthana forms done. We can do for Sambodhana also. Sambodhana also is because it is Sarvanamasthana. Therefore, let me do Sambodhana also. Sambodhana, what will happen? I'll copy paste from that. Su Aujas for Sambodhana. it is Su. Just come out. Then here it is Sambodhana. Rajan plus Su. Sambodhana. This Su is Sambuddhi, but it is Sarvanamasthana only. When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, which is not a Sambuddhi, then only Upada Dirghatam happens. Because it is Sambuddhi, therefore Upada Dirghatam na bhavati. So Rajan plus Sakara. The Sakara is Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya. Hal Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya. Halan, it will be a Hal. So therefore, what will happen? Tasya Lopaha bhavati. So therefore, you will have Rajan. Now, you will have Rajan Shabda. Then Nakara, the question may come that Rajan is a Padam now, and Nakara at the end of the Padam as well as Nakara at the end of the Pratipadikam also. Will not this Nakara go away? No. For Sambuddhi, the Nakara will not go away. For that also the rule is there. You can note that Nagi Sambuddhyoho, it is there in the lope of Pratipadikantasya. After that, this rule is there. For Sambuddhi, this Nakara will not go. Therefore, only Rajan. Okay. So, for Sambuddhi, this Nakara Lopa, that cannot be applied. Okay. So that not writing the rule, maybe the rule is Nagi Sambuddhi, that is 8 to 8. The next rule to that, maybe I can just mention, or I will do it later. I will write it later. That is, okay, let me write it. Rajan, then here. Type. Will the Nakara go away? Go away for 8-1? No, it will not. As it is Sambuddhi. As it is Sambuddhisu. As it is Sambuddhisu, it will not as it Sambuddhisu by the rule. The sutram says na ni sambuddhyoho. Ni is we see what is ni is. It's not only in Chandas. We need sambuddhi. Nas ni sambuddhyoho. That is by this rule will not go away. That is why the sambuddhi, the sanya is important. So you can note here, this nakara will not go. So therefore, Rajan. So Rajan is the padam. Rajan is the padam, and this Rajan is the pratipadika. Okay. So yeah.
Only 8-1 is Sambuddhi, not
Yes.
1-1.
Not 1-1. Sambuddhi is sanya given for 8-1. I will written here the note somewhere. The last class also we saw that. Where is that? 1 minute. The sanya, 1 minute. I'm going back and forth to show you.
Because I have written that is when we were.
See here, Sambuddhi, 8-1 as the name Sambuddhi.
Not 8 to 8-3 also, Jay?
No. Only 8-1
Only 8-1. Okay.
as a Sambuddhi.
Okay.
Sambodhana Ekavachanam Sambuddhi. That's a sutra. What's your doubt, Ramaji?
Yeah, when we were looking that Atun Pratyaya, I have written in my notebook, class 231. There also we have seen one Sambuddhi there.
What's Pratyaya?
Atum, Tavatum and Matup, they are similar. They have similar pratyaya, Atum pratyaya like that.
Atun. What is Atun?
At,
At. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Atum pratyaya, there I have written Dhimat plus Sum of 1-1 pratyaya, and there 1-1 is called Sambuddhi. I have written like that. That is
No,
why.
no, 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 no.
Okay.
Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam will not get the sanya sambuddhi.
Okay.
Asambuddhi, na sambuddhi, asambuddhi, negative. Okay. Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam is na sambuddhi, asambuddhi. 8-1 is sambuddhi. Okay, so this should be very clear. This what is sambuddhi? Sambuddhi is 8-1. 8-1 su. Only that 8-1 one pratyaya is called sambuddhi. Pratambodhana, pratama ekavachanam sambuddhihi. Sanya. Right? That is why we said when asambuddhi saranamastana pratyaya follows, except sambuddhi we say. Right? When asambuddhi saranamastana pratyaya follows, the nakaranta pratipadikam upada dirghatvam bhavati. You see, very specifically, except sambuddhi written. It means it is 1-1, not 8-1, right? Understand, Ramaji?
Yeah, yes, Sharanji. Yeah.
Okay. Then all these things you have to go through again after the class. I'm going back and forth and showing, revising, but you have to go through again, then only it will be clear. So the rules are given in sequence. I'm trying to make it more sequential. Let us see how far I will be able to do. Now, we have done Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, and 8-1 we are doing. 8-1 also has got the Sanya Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, but this Su has got the name Sanya Sambuddhi. Therefore, this Nakara will not go away. Nakara at the end of the Padam, that happens to be at the end of the Pratipadikam also. It will go away when a Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, it will go away when it go away in the case of 1-1. It is there, it is Sambuddhi. But here it is Asambuddhi. If it is Asambuddhi, then the Nakara will not go. Will the Nakara go away for 8-1? No. Why? Because it is Sambuddhi Su. Therefore, it will not go away because there is an exception. Nagi Sambuddhyogo. 8-7, one rule before that is Nakara Lopa Vidhi. That Nakara Nalopa Vidhi is not applicable for Sambuddhi. Therefore, only Nakara remains. Hey Rajan. Okay. Similarly, Atman will become 8-1 will become Atman Upada Dirgatvam Bhavati Kim Na Bhavati, because it is Sambuddhi, Atman only. And after that, what will happen? Sakara being a Aprikta Ekal Pratyaya goes away. Atman. Similarly, Magiman will become Upada Dirgatvam Na Bhavati, E Magiman. For 8-2 and 8-3, there it is same as the Pratama only. It is not Sambuddhi. Here it is not Su. It is Au. Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Therefore, Upada Dirgatvam happens, and after that you join Rajanav. Similarly, Atmanav. Similarly, Mahimanav. There it applies. Then this is 8-2. Then 8-3. 8-3 is same as the 1-3 only. 8-3, that is the Pratyaya is just Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, follows Nakaranta Pratipadikam. Upada Dirgatvam happens, becomes Raja as it before. Then add Rajanas, Rajanaha. Similarly, Atmanaha, Mahimanaha. So we have done the forms for all the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Right? Now we have to deal with Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. For that only we need this Sanya. Asarva Nama Asarva Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. The topic is when Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, what will happen? Previously the topic was when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. When Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Bhasanya, Padasanya, you need to know. That I have written, we have seen already. So we can know that. What are those? This Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya classification is Ajadi and Haladi. So let us do Ajadi. When Ajadi Asarvanama Sthana Pratyaya follows, what will happen? Amongst Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, when Ajadi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, what will happen? Then similarly, when other than Ajadi, I make it as Aladi. For our understanding, I make it as Haladi because in the Supratyaya, there Byam, fourth, that is Byam Bis, Byam Bis, then Su, 3233, 4243, 5253, and 73. They are beginning with Hal. Therefore, I call it as Aladi. When Aladi Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, what will happen? This we have to see. Now, first we will see Ajadi, then we will see Haladi. So Rajan plus Shas, that is, this is Ditya Vibhakti Dvivachana. When this Pratyaya follows, what will happen? Rajan plus Shas. Content is us. Content is us. Upada Dirgottam Bhavati Kim. Will it happen? Will Upada Dirgottam happens? Yes or no?
No, it is not Ekal.
Yeah.
There is no
No, it
connection
is
with the
not
Ekal.
Sarvana.
That
It
is
is
what is
not
important.
Sarvanama.
Not Sarvana.
No connection with the Ekal. Ekal will become Lopaha. For Ekal Pratyaya to become Lopaha, there is no condition. Whether it should be Sarvanamasthana and all. No. Ekal, Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya will become Lopaha when the Anga ends with a Hal. Okay, that goes away. It has no connection. Here, it should be a Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, then only Pada Dirghatvam happens. Understand? So don't confuse with Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya. Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya is one-lettered Pratyaya following the Halanta Pradipadika will become Lopaha. Whether it is Sarvanamasthana or not, doesn't matter. That is why I gave the example of Lang Lakara, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachan, where Takara, Tam, An, Sakara, Tamta, the Takara, Sakara, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachanam, that is also Ekal Pratyaya. In Tinganta context, that will go away when it follows the Al, Anta, Anga. Understand? Ramaji.
Yes, Sharanji.
So don't confuse that with this. When Sarvanamasthana, whether Pratyaya is Sarvanamasthana or not, that only you have to see. When it is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, then Upada Dirghatvam happens. And that too, for Su specifically, it should be a Asambuddhi Su. This you have to remember. Right? Now, Shas is not a Sarvanamasthana. It is Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. That is what is important. And it beginning with Ach. Content is us. Therefore, beginning with Ach. I'm just copying, pasting. I will correct all those things now. Now, Upada Dirghatvam will not happen because it is not Sarvanamasthana. Now, what is a sanya this Rajan enjoys? The Pratipadikam Rajan enjoys what sanya?
Ba. Ba sanya.
Ba sanya. Okay. And the anta, the Pratipadikam ends with an letter. We can take the verbal also to distinguish from inanta, unanta, all those things. Ananta Pratipadikam. Now, the Pratipadikam ends with an, Rajan, Atman, Magiman. This ananta, the akara of the ananta, listen carefully, akara of the ananta of the bha, of the bha, what will happen? Will go away. The akara of the ananta of the bha will go away. It's a rule. Asanyakasya angasya anantasya anantasya akarasya basanyakasya lopaha bhavati. Let me write and let's tell you. Here what will happen. That's the next one. That is Rajan. This Rajan, here, the Rajan, the Pratipadikam Rajan, the Pratipadikam Rajan, when followed by Ajadi Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, enjoys the sanya bha. Number one. Therefore, this Rajan is a bha. This Vasanyaka anga ending with an. This Vasanyaka anga ending with an, the akara of the an. Akara of the an is the anta. An will become lopaha. So, for lopa of the akara to happen, what is the condition is? It should be a bhasanya. That is the condition. No other condition. For the akara, that is upada akara, to become lopaha, this anga should be a bha. That is why bhasanya is important. So bhasanyakasya angasya anantasya bhasanyakasya angasya akarasya lopaha bhavati. This bhasanyaka anga ending with an letter, the akara of the an will become lopaha. Is it clear?
Yes, Sharaji.
Yes, Sharaji.
If you write in Sanskritam, anantasya, example, Rajan Shabdasya, when the Rajan enjoys a sanya, bhasanya. So bhasanyakasya anantasya bhasanyakasya angasya. It is anga. Anga is a general name, whether it is a pratipadikam or a dhatu. Here it is. Bha is only for pratipadikam, not for dhatu. Anyway, so angasya, or you can write pratipadikasya also. Angasya is better. Anantasya bhasanyakasya angasya akarasya. Akarasya kim bhavati? Lopaha bhavati. What I told, I wrote in Sanskritam. This is by the rule allopo naha. Allopo naha. Al is at. Lopaha, anaha. Anaha is anantaha. Anaha is anantaha. Al is at. Lopaha is lopaha. So anantasya akarasya lopaha bhavati. What ananta? That ananta must be the bhasangika anga. Right? Alloponaha. That is a rule. So here there is no paranimitta or purvanimitta. The anga ending, the anga enjoying the bhasanga. And the anga ending with an. That akara of the an will become lopaha. So now what will happen? Rajan plus as. If akara lopa happens, what will happen? What will be the form? Raj. Then nakara will be there. Then as. Jakara, nakara, what will happen?
Nya.
The way Sayomkantas.
How can it become nya? Jakara, nakara, is it nya? No.
Akara joins.
Rajas only.
Rajas. How will it become Rajas?
Oh, Sharanji, I thought the Jakara and Nakara Sayom.
What is the form of Jakara and nakara?
Nyakara.
Yeah, no, not yeah.
That's correct. But for that, nakara has to be nyakara. But here, jakara plus nyakara only will become nya. But here it is nakara. How will it become? This will not become. Chutta sandhi, don't forget. Jakara is chavarga letter. Nakara is tavarga letter. What will happen?
Yeah, the fifth letter.
Chutva sandhi will apply. Nakara will be replaced by nyakara. Sandhi is important. All the way sandhi is important. So it will replace by nyakara. Now you say, you apply. Now is that jakara plus nyakara is nyakara. Right? Then as becomes
Rajnyaha.
that is how we have the form Rajnyaha. See, you have the Shabda Manjari, please see. In my Shabda Manjari book, it is form is not there. You have Shabda Manjari, please see your Shabda Manjari book, or in the website it is given. I will show you. Raja, Rajanav, Rajanaha, Rajanam, Rajanav, Rajnyaha. Once you know this simple rules, Rajan Shabda is easy. Only thing you have to understand certain basic things. If that is understood, all Ananta Shabda you can decline very easy. A little struggle is required at the beginning. After that, you can easily derive. You don't have to memorize. Anyway, if memorize it is very good. I would recommend to memorize it, because all these rules have to be applied. But you can't memorize all the Shabda also. That is also, in the beginning is difficult. Later, when you get slowly mastery over the language, you can memorize it. So, Raja, Rajano, Rajanaha, Rajanam, Rajano, Rajnyaha. You can see this is Ba. Therefore, Akarasya, Upada Akarasya of the Ananta, An will become Lopa. This is only for Ananta, remember. Kari, Karinav, Karinaha, Karinam, Karinav, Karinaha only. That doesn't happen, because Karin is not Ananta. I'm just giving a Vyatireka Udaharanam, counter example. Don't apply this for other Anta. Ananta it must be. Right? So, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachan, it is simple. You can easily do it. Tritiya Vibhakti. So, Rajan becomes Rajnyaha. Then, okay, first we will take Rajan Shabda. Atman Shabda example, we will do it later, because some more rules will come. Atman, what is the form? Atmanaha, there it is different. We will see that later. Now, Rajan Shabda alone, we will take it. Now, Tritiya Vibhakti would be Rajan plus
Ta.
Ta. The content is
Ah.
Ah.
Takara is ith letter. So A is what pratyaya?
Bha.
Not Ba. That is not Ba.
Yes, sir.
A is what pratyaya?
Yeah,
Asarana namasthana.
Ekal pratyaya.
Aj.
Don't worry about ekal. Drop it. Okay. Ekal pratyaya you record only when something happens because of that sanya. Here it's ekal pratyaya. Fine. If it's a hal, if
Asarvanamasthana.
that is what that sanya is what is important. Ekal pratyaya, when we say that if it is a hal following a halanta pratipadikam become lopaha. There it is required. Here it is ekal. No problem. It's nothing wrong saying ekal. But yeah, what sanya, what we required to remember is it's saranamasthana pratyaya.
Yeah.
Because this gets a ba sanya, therefore this is asaranamasthana pratyaya. Sorry, not saranamasthana. It is na saranamasthana. Asaranamasthana pratyaya is a sanya. What is to be remembered here? Okay. So because it is asaranamasthana pratyaya, therefore the anga will get a sanya bha. Right?
Bha.
That is what is important here. Now, because it's a bha sanya and ending with ananta, followed by, not followed by. When you say bha, the following must be asaranamasthana pratyaya. So that is because of the following asaranamasthana pratyaya only the anga gets bha sanya. So we don't have to again say followed by. So bha sanya kasya, because it is a bha and ending with an, that akara of an will become lopaha. Therefore, same. It becomes Raj plus Nakara plus A. Then what will happen? You apply this Chutta Sandhi, it becomes Raj plus
Yeah, yeah.
Nakara.
Yeah.
I just made it into Chutta Sandhi. Okay, Raj. Then A will become Ragya. Get the form Ragya. Right? So for all Bhasanya, it is simple. Now if you take next one, Rajan plus Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachanam, which is Bha. The pratyaya is ye. Content is ye. Ajadi pratyaya, asranamasthana pratyaya follows. Therefore, pratipadikam enjoys a sanya bha, because it is bha sanya ending with an, akara silopa bhavati. Therefore, you have jakara nakara, then shuddha sandhi, rag plus ye will become ragye. Similarly, 5-1. 5-1 pratyaya is nasi. Nasi, whose content is as. So therefore, here also as asaranamasthana, ajadi asaranamasthana pratyaya. Therefore, anga gets basanya, ananta. Therefore, akara silopaha. Then jakara nakara, chutta sandhi. Then you have to form ragnyaha, right? Then similarly, this is 5-1. Similarly, 6-1 also same. 6-1, 5-1 both are both the pratyas content is only as. There it is nas, the content is as. 6-1, the same thing is applied. The form would be same. Ragyaha. Then 7-1. 7-1 pratyaya is e. The content is e. E is ajadi asaranamasana pratyaya. Therefore, this will get basagya. Therefore, akarasya, anantasya, akarasya lopaha, jakara nakara coming together. Chutta sandhi. So, rag plus e becomes ragi, right? Any doubt in this?
No, Ji.
But one more form is there for 7-1. Rajani, that we will see. One more form is there. Shabdamanjari, you see. Is it there or not?
Yes, sir.
See.
Ashtadevi.com it is.
Ragi, Rajani, one more
One
form
more.
is
Yes.
that we will see. First, let us see all the common rules and we will see that. So, one more form, Saptami, Ekavachanam, it is there. We will see that after seeing all the Basanya. Then, what else is left out? Rajan plus this Am and Os. Shashti Vibhakti. Okay, let me write Shashti Vibhakti there itself. Shashti Vibhakti, Dvivachanam and Shashti Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Shashti Vibhakti, Dvivachanam and Shashti Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Dvivachanam is Os. Os is Ajadi, Asranamastana Pratyaya, therefore Akarasya, Angasya, Anantasya, Akarasya Lopaha, Anantasya, Basangikasya, Angasya. The same. Then Jakara Nakara coming together, then becomes Ragya plus Os will become Ragnyoho. This is Shashti Vibhakti, Dvivachanam. Then Am is Shashti Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. So it becomes Ragya, same as this. Becomes Ragya. So all the Basanya we have done now. So Ditya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Ragyaha. Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Ragya. Then Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Ragye. Then Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Ragyaha. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Ragyaha. Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Ragnyoho. Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Ragyam. Saptami Ekavachanam, Ragni. So all Ajadi, Asranamastana Pratyaya, the condition we have done. Now, what we have to do is Haladi Asranamastana Pratyaya. Right? Okay. Now, here, Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam, I said one more form is there. That, what is that? That is a rule. There's an optionality given. Optionality given for the Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. That optionality for dropping of Akara. The dropping of Akara. Saptami Vibhakti, I will write again, copy paste, optional form is there. So, Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam follows this. If you don't drop it, then what will be the form? Rajan plus E will become Rajani. How we get Rajani? Here, an optionality is given. An optionality is given for the dropping of Akara of the Ananta. Akara of the Ananta. Ananta Basangika Anga. I'm writing. So we can follow this for the Akara of Basangika Anga. That is Anga having the Sanya Bha ending with An. And that Akara of the An. For that, this optionality is given. Here an optionality is given for the dropping of Akara when followed by. That is important. When followed by. When followed by. Followed by Ni. Ni is 7-1. Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. This is by the rules. Rule Vibhasha Vibhasha in Sutram, it means optional. Vibhasha Nishyoho. Vibhasha Nishyo. This is Ashtadhyayi, we will see in detail. Ashtadhyayi class 136. Just note the rule. So optionality. Ni is Saptami Bhakti Ekavachan, the sutra itself. So optionality is given for the dropping of Akara of Ananta Vasagya followed by Ni. 7-1. Therefore, two forms are there. Ragni, Rajani. So with this the forms when followed by Ajadi, when followed by this Ajadi, Asranasana Pratyaya, done. And what is left out? That is simple. That you know it already. In Marut Shabdandal, we have seen very elaborately, so that you know it. What is that? When the Aladi Asranasana Pratyaya follows, Anga enjoys a Sanya. What's the
Padam.
Padam?
Dam.
Therefore, all the Pada Vidhi, all the Sandhi, its rule, etc., just like those rules you can apply. Now, Rajan plus Bhyam, what will happen? Is it a Saranavasthanam? No. It is, if it is Saranavasthanam, Upada Dirgottam happens. It is not Saranavasthanam. It is Asaranavasthanam. Is it Ajadi? If it Ajadi, this will get Basagya, then Akarasya Lopaha Bhavati. That Anantasya Akarasya. It is not Ajadi also. It is Haladi. Therefore, when Haladi Pratyaya follows, this will not enjoy Basagya, it will enjoy Padasagya. Only one Sanya possible. You cannot have two Sanya. Pratipadika Sanya is general Sanya. That is different. Either it should be a Bha or it should be a Pada. So here it enjoys Padasagya. It's not a Bha. So because it's a Padam, now what will happen? Rajan plus Bhyam. Again I am writing Rajan plus Bhyam. What is this Rajan now? One more Sanya it enjoys. What is this Rajan? And what is this Rajan?
First one is Pratipadikam.
Good. Second one?
And one is Padam.
Also a Pratipadikam. Both, because Pratyaya follows, right?
Yeah.
So this, just to distinguish, I'm writing Rajan, the second Rajan is Pratipadikam because Dhyam, the Supratyaya follows, and also because it is Haladi Asaranavasana Pratyaya follows, this Rajan also enjoys a Sanya Padam, right? It is both a Padam as well as a Pratipadikam. Two Sanya it enjoys. Because it's a Pratipadikam, therefore we add the Pratyaya. Because it is a Padam, therefore you can apply the rules related to the Pada Vidhi. Now, what did we say? Nakara at the end of the Padam also happens to be at the end of the Pratipadikam. What will happen?
Lopaha bhavati.
Lopaha bhavati. Therefore, Nakara goes away. Therefore, Raja you have. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
So you get Rajabhyam. Simple. Rajan will become Raja. Nakara at the end of the Padam, and that Nakara happens to be the end of the Pratipadikam, that Nakara goes away. And here in this case, it's so clear, the Rupam of Pratipadikam and the Rupam of Padam, both are same, that Nakara goes away. Whereas in the example, 1-1, we saw Rajan plus Su, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. There what happened? Upada, Dirgottam happened, and Sakara came, the Sakara goes away, Rajan, the form was there. Here Nakara is there. This Nakara at the end of the Padam also happened to be at the end of the Pratipadikam. That Nakara goes away, therefore Raja you got. Here Rajan, the Rupam has changed. Here Rupam itself has not changed. It is same as the previous one. Therefore there is no confusion. Nakara, you can just make it Lopaha. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
Yes. So in 3-2, 3-3 and all, you will see the Pratipadikam enjoys Padasanya. Therefore, Nakara at the end of the Padam, Nakara also at the end of the, because it enjoys both Sanya. This Nakara can be called as Padanta Nakara. Also, you can call it as Pratipadikanta Nakara. It's so straightforward here. Therefore, that Nakara becomes Lopaha. So Rajan plus Bhyam becomes Rajan Bhyam. Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Chaturthi Dvivachanam also Bhyam. Therefore, you don't have to do it. The same thing. If you do Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, all are bha, all are aladi. Therefore, nothing happens. The same thing happens. Nothing new happens. So Rajan plus bis, what will happen? Again, here Rajan is both padam as well as a pratipadikam. Therefore, nakara silopaga bhavati. Therefore, Rajabihi, you have the same as the previous one. Then if it is Vyas also same. All are bakara, bakaradi. So Vyas becomes Rajabhyaha. The form is Rajabhyaha. Then Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. What happens? That we'll see. Saptami Ekavachanam. Rajan plus Sup. Sup, the content is Su. Here, content is Su. It's not Su. So, Su is Pratyaya beginning with Haladi, Asranamastana Pratyaya. Rajan enjoys Sanya, Pada Sanya, and Nakara happens to be at the end of the Padam as well as the Pratipadikam. That Nakara becomes Lopaha, same as the previous one. So, Raja plus Su will become Rajasu. That's a form. Right? So, Haladi, Asranamastana Pratyaya follows. The forms are done. Now you have got the full Shabda. So let us see the Shabda and chant. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. I will ask question, you can answer. What all the rules apply to get the form? Raja, Rajano, Rajanaha.
Rajanau,
Rajanah,
Rajanam, Rajano, Rajyaha.
Rajanam, Rajanam, Rajnah,
Raja, Rajabhyam, Rajabihi. Sorry, Rajya, not Raja. Rajya, Rajabhyam, Rajabihi.
Rajnya, Rajabhyam, Rajabhi,
Rajye, Rajabhyam, Rajabhyaha.
Rajne, Rajabhyam, Rajabhyah,
Rajnyaha, Rajabhyam, Rajabhyaha.
Rajnyah, Rajabhyam, Rajabhyah,
Rajnyaha, Rajnyogo, Rajnyam.
Rajnyah, Rajnyoho, Rajnyam,
Rajni, Rajani, Rajnyoho, Rajasu.
Rajni,
Rajani,
Rajani,
Rajnyoho,
Rajnyoho, Rajasu,
He Rajan, He Rajano, He Rajanaha.
He
He
Rajan,
Rajan,
He
He
Raja.
Rajanau,
He
He
Rajanah,
Rajanah,
No, Parvataji,
Sir.
just recalling, okay. You can, Raja, how you get Raja, the Padam, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam.
Actually, Sarvanamasthana, Asarvanamasthana, you have to.
Okay, this is Sarvanamasthana, Rasarvanasthana, 1-1.
Asarvanamasthana.
1-1. So,
For Pullinga, it is Sarvanamasthana.
Sarvanamasthana is 1-1,
1-1,
1-2, 1-3, 1-3.
2-1, 2-2.
Yes, and all the Sambodhana, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1-1 is some Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. So Rajan, Pratipadikam, Rajan plus Su. What will happen?
Rajan plus Rajan plus Sakara will come.
Rajan plus Sakara. Okay. What rule you have to remember? When the
Sarvanamasthani.
yes, when the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, other than Sambuddhi, that's important. Other than Sambuddhi follows,
Yeah.
then Upada Dirgotvam Bhavati, number 1. Right?
Sambuddhi means 8-1 is.
Yes, that's why I said Asambuddhi, not Sambuddhi. Always that you have to say. When the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya except Sambuddhi follows, then that nakarantasya shabdasya upada dirghatvam bhavati. Upada dirghatvam happens. Right? That is number one. Rule number one. All the sanyas you know it. That's why sanya I'm not saying. What are Sarvanamastana Pratyaya? What are Asarvanamastana Pratyaya? Among the Asarvanamastana Pratyaya, what are Ajadi and what are Haladi? And what is Basanya? What is Pratipadika Sanya? And what is Sambuddhi? All these are sanya. The sanyas you have to remember. With the sanyas in mind, the rules are when Asarvanamastana Asambuddhi follows, then Nakarantasya Shabdasya Upada Dirghatvam Bhavati. Therefore, Rajan will become Rajan. Right?
Okay.
Rajan plus Su. Su is Sakara. What is the name it has got? It's one letter Pratyaya. So I got a name. That also Sanya only. What is the name?
Ekal.
Ekal Pratyaya is called Apruktam.
Apruktam.
That is also Sanya. So how many Sanyas are there? You see, so many Sanyas are there. You have to remember. Sanya should be very clear. The knowledge of Sanya should be very clear. Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. What are Sarvanamastana Pratyaya? What are not Sarvanamastana Pratyaya? Basanya. Pratipadikam also you have to know that's a Sanya. Padam also Sanya. Sambuddhi is there. Apruktam is there. Right? So when the Aprukta Pratyaya is a hal, it's a consonant.
Yeah.
When it follows the halanta pradipadikam, that will become lopa.
Nakarantasya lopa.
Not only nakara, any
Yeah.
halanta pradipadikam. Marut also it happened. Jalamucha also it happened. So Rajan plus Su, that sakara is aprukta ekal pratyaya, and beginning with the hal, that is important. Then only it becomes lopa, not any aprukta ekal pratyaya. Then it becomes a problem. Then you will not have the Vivachanam, how will not be, how will go away. Everywhere you will have Raja, Raja, Raja. Problem.
Yeah.
The aprukta ekal pratyaya must be a hal, a consonant. When that follows a halanta pradipadikam, lopaha bhavati. Therefore, Raja you have got. Right?
Okay.
Now, the next rule, what you have to remember? What is the next rule we saw? In Vidya Vibhakti Bhagavacham. I'm just summarizing, okay? To you, I'm summarizing. First rule is when the Asarvanamastana Pratyaya other than Sambuddhi follows, this Pratipadikasya Upada, that is Anantasya, that Upada Dirghatvam happens. That is number one. Second rule is when the Anga or the Pratipadik enjoys a Bhasanya, then the Akara of the Ananta will become Lopaha. These are the two rules. Strictly speaking, these are the only two rules you need to remember. Other rules are common rule and common Sanyas. Only two rules are there. Understand, all of you? Only two rules are there. Rule number one. That is when the Asarvanamastana Pratyaya. Okay, when the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya other than Sambuddhi follows, Upada Dirghatvam happens. Number one. Rule number one. Rule number two. When the Anga enjoys a Bhasanya, when the Anga ending with An enjoys a Bhasanya, Akara becomes Lopaha. This is number two. These are the only two rules. Other rules are common rules that Prukta Ekal, that Hal going away, or the Sandhi rules. Those are common rules. And other Sanyas are common Sanyas. They are applicable universally. Right? So, two rules you remember, you know the Rajan Shabda. Understand? Kameshwari ji.
Yes, Ji.
So you have to see, okay, why I asked the rules. If you can remember the rule, it is good. Go and read again, you understand. So I'll give one Shabda, you can try. Now Parvati ji, you can do Animan Shabda if you take Animan.
Animan. Okay, Prathama Vibhakti. Anima, Animanau, Animanaha. Dvitiya, Animanam, Animanau, Animagnyah.
How animagnya will come? Think. Animan.
Ani. So the Stuttu Sandhi also will happen. And a na plus ja will come. So first step is Animan plus Shas.
Animan plus Ditya
It's
Vibhakti.
Animaha only, right? It's Animaha.
Animaha. No.
Animan plus us, right?
Think. It's okay.
Animanaha.
Animanaha.
Yeah. Yeah, no ja. So
Yeah.
it is only nakara goes away, then anima.
Animan. Animan plus
Us.
Shas. What will happen? Animan.
An goes away. Yeah, a goes away. Akara.
Therefore?
So anim
Makara.
makara
Yeah,
plus nakara will
Akara. Nakara. For your understanding, I'm splitting and writing.
Yeah.
Akara. Then Akara, what will happen?
Yeah,
Vasangakasya,
lopaha.
Anantasya, Akarasya. Therefore, what will happen?
Lopaha. Yeah, lopaha.
An will be
Maha-
lopa.
anima-
Unlopaha.
Huh?
Unlopaha.
No, akara.
Not Anlopa.
Akara,
Akarasya.
akara lopa.
Akara of the an becomes Lopaha. Then what the form now?
Oh, animaha.
Not Animaha. Akara
Oh,
Lopa.
sorry.
Animnaha.
Animanaha. Sorry, animanaha.
Not Animanaha. Akara
Animnaha.
Lopaha Bhavati. Nakara is there.
Animnaha.
Animnaha.
Oh, animnaha.
Animnaha. Okay.
So Anima, Animano, Animanaha, Animanam, Animano, Animnaha. Okay.
Naha.
Yes. Continue, Parvatiji.
Sir, I have to read, sir. Suddenly.
Animnaha you have got now, you can do. Rajya is
Animna.
Animna.
Okay.
Animna.
Is,
Tritiya Bhakti Ekavachanam is Animna. Once you have got one form, then other form easy. Animna you have got now.
Okay.
Anim, then you can do. Animna,
Animna, Animnabhyam.
not Animna. Animan plus Bhyam. Nakara goes away. Because,
Bhyam.
okay, this is also one more rule. You can add one more rule. That is Nakara of the Padam and Nakara, which is happen to be the end of the Pratipadikam, becomes Lopaha.
Yeah, lopaha. 8 to 7.
So 3 rules. I said 2 rules plus 1. Okay. So Animan plus Bhyam, what will happen? Nakara will become Lopaha. Therefore,
Animabhyam. Animabhyam.
Animabhyam. The form is Rajan become Rajabhyam. Animan will become Animabhyam. Okay, continue.
Animabhihi.
Animabhihi. Then Chaturthi.
Animane.
Animne, not Animanne. Animne.
Animne. Animabhyam. Then Animabhya.
Yes.
Animabhyam.
There it is Animabhya, no problem there. Nakara only goes away. Anima will be there.
Okay.
Anima plus Bhyaha, Animabhyaha.
Animabhya. Then Animanaha.
Animnaha, same thing, right?
Oh, Animnaha. Animnaha.
Animnaha.
Animabhyam.
Animnoho. Which one you're doing? Panchami.
Yeah. Panchami.
Okay. Okay. Animnaha, Animabhyam,
Animabhyaha.
Shashti.
Shashti. Animnaha. Animnoho.
Yes. Then?
Animnam.
Yes.
Then Animani. Animni.
Animni or Animani, both 2 forms are there.
Okay. Animani.
Or Animani.
Oh, Animani. Okay.
Like Rajani, Animani. Rajan become Rajani. Animan become Animani.
Yeah, but Nakara will not come.
Nakara, why should go?
Nakara only, more than.
Akara lopa, that Ananta Basagikasya Akarasya, that Anantasya Akarasya lopa happens. Therefore, Animni form you have.
Yeah.
And for when the Saptami Vibhakti Ekavacham, that Akara lopa is optional. When it doesn't go, Animan plus E will become Animani, just joining. Animani. So two forms are there, animni or animani. Animni is like the previous one. Animani is just joining.
Okay. Then animnoho,
Hmm.
rajasu, and
Anim,
so animansu, sorry, animsu.
not animsu. It is Sarvanamasthana, no, sorry, Asarvanamasthana, Aladi, Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, and that too Haladi. Yes. Therefore, Padam. Animan plus su. Nakarasya lopaka bhavati. Animasu.
Animasu.
Then Sambodhana.
He animan.
Hmm.
He animanau. Then he animanaha.
Yes. Ramaji, you try. You can try. Bhuman Shabda. Bhuman is a word for Brahma. In Bhuma Vidya is a Bhuman Chandogya, Brihadaranyaka. Bhuma Vidya. Yes. It is Ananta.
Bhuma, Bhumanau, Bhumanah, Bhumanam, Bhumanau, then Bhumnaha,
Yes. Bhumnaha. Good.
Bhumnaha.
Hmm.
Then Bhumna, Bhumabhyam,
Not okay. Bhumabhyam. Yes, right. Sorry.
Bhumabhyam, Bhumabhi, then Bhumne, Bhumabhyam, Bhumabhyaha, then Bhumnaha, Bhumabhyam, Bhumabhyaha, then Bhumnaha, Bhumnoho, Bhumnam,
Yes.
then Bhumni, Bhumani,
Bhumani.
two forms, yeah. Then Bhumnoho, Bhumasu, He Bhuman, He Bhumanau, He Bhumanaha.
Yes. Ganeshji,
Yes, Swamiji.
you can take Lagiman.
Lagiman.
Lagiman means Laguta. Lagima, Garima, all Ashtama Siddhi. Becoming small, becoming light.
Lagiman.
Hmm.
So, Lagima, Lagimanau, Lagimanaha, Lagimanam, Lagimanau, Lagimaha, Lagimnaha,
Lagimnaha. Yes.
Lagimnaha, Lagimna,
Mabhyam.
Lagimabhyam,
Hmm.
Lagimabhyam, Lagimabbihi, Lagimne, Lagimabhyam, Lagimabhyaha, Lagimnaha, Lagimabhyam, Lagimabhyaha, Lagimna, Lagimnehe,
Lagimnaha.
Lagimnoho,
Lagimnaha. Okay. Lagimnoho.
Lagimnoho, Lagimnam, Lagimni, Lagimnoho,
Lagimni. Lagimani.
Lagimani, sorry. Lagimni, Lagimani, Lagimnoho, Lagimasu,
Yes.
Lagimasu. Here Lagiman, here Lagimano, here Lagimanaha.
Kameshwari.
Yes, sir.
Jadiman Shabda. Jadiman.
Oh.
Jadiman means Jadatva.
Okay. Jadima, Jadimanau, Jadimanaha, Jadimanam, Jadimanau, Jadimnaha, Jadimna, Jadimabhyam, Jadimabbihi, Jadimne, Jadimabhyam, Jadimabhyaha, Jadimnaha, Jadimabhyam, Jadimabhyaha, Jadimnaha, Jadimnoho, Jadimana, Jadimnam, Jadimnam,
Hmm.
Jadimni, Jadimani, Jadimnoho, Jadimasu, He Jadiman, He Jadimano, He Jadimanaha.
Yes. Sangamitraji.
Yeah, yes, Ji.
Shukliman. Shukliman is
Okay,
purity, Shuklata or whiteness.
okay. Shuklima, Shuklimano, Shuklimanaha, Shuklimanam, Shuklimano, Shuklimnaha, Shuklimna, Shuklimabhyam, Shuklimabhihi, Shuklimne, Shuklimabhyam, Shuklimabhyaha, Shuklimnaha, Shuklimabhyam, Shuklimabhyaha, Shuklimnaha, Shuklimnoho, Shuklimnam, Shuklimni, Shuklimnani, Shuklimnoho, Shuklimasu. He Shukliman, He Shuklimano, He Shuklimana.
Shuklimanaha. So, now Nakaranta Shabda, just to summarize, okay, the some of the Sanya which you have to remember. Sanyaha, what you have to remember. One is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Sarvanamasthana. What is Sarvanamasthana? You have to know. So when you know what is Sarvanamasthana, you will know what is Asarvanamasthana. So this to be understood. Then Sambuddhi. What is Sambuddhi? Therefore, what is Asambuddhi? That also you have to know. Then what is Apruktam? Apruktam is a Sanya. Then what is Bhasanya? What is Bha and what is a Padam? Padam already we know. Technically is Suptingantam Padam. But here another is a Padasanya, another definition or extension of Padasanya is given. These are the Sanyas we have to remember. What is Sarvanamasthana, Sambuddhi, Apruktam, Bha and Padam. Then the common rules. Samanya Niyamaha. Samanya Niyamaha is that Upada Dirgatvam. I just copy paste what I wrote. That for Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Upada Dirgatvam happens. This is also Samanya rule, number one. Then this also. I just put it here. Samanya Niyama and special Niyama for this. Samanya Niyama is when Aprukta is Ekal, then that Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya following that the Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya is a Hal, that Hal will become Slopaha following a Hal. This is Samanya. Then this Vishesha Niyamaha. Vishesha Niyamaha for this Rajan Nakaranta Shabda, all Nakaranta, etc. So when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, other than Sambuddhi, Upada Dirgatvam happens. That Vishesha Niyama. Then the Nakara at the end of the Pratipadikam, which is also a Padam, will get elided. This is number 2. And one more rule is that Vishesha Niyama. What is that?
Allopadana.
Allopa, that Akara of the Ananta will become Lopaha. That is Vishesha Niyama. That is Bhasangika's Akara will become Lopa. 3 roots.
Kshamatam Sharanji.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
this Vishesha Niyama applies only to Pullinga Pratipadikam. Does it mean that?
No, not for Nakaranta Pratipadika.
Nakaranta. Okay. So even
And that
Strilinga and Napumsakalinga also included.
yes, and Nakaranta
Naman
that too.
Shabda.
Yes, Nakaranta specifically. Naman Shabda a little change because Sarvanamasthana Pratyas are different. Therefore, you will see the differences in the Shabda. We can do after this Naman Shabda. Pulling Napumsakalinga we will do.
So it applies to all the lingas.
All the, yeah. And Ananta Pradipadikam. Ananta is Nakaranta only. That Upada letter is Akara, Ananta. In Anta, some differences is there, like Karin Shabda, I said, some difference. So the Vishesha Niyama, okay, for Ananta Shabda. if I can write Ananta Shabdaha. Vishesha name for Ananta. Not Ananta. Don't join in. Okay. Ananta. So these are Basanya ending with Anta. Dakara will become Lopaha. Okay. These are the 3 rules. If you know this, Rajan Shabda is done. This is a Samanya Niyama this is Samanya Niyama. Applicable everywhere. Special rules for Ananta is this. These are the special 3 rules. Only this much only. It's not a big thing. It's a simple thing only. Only 3 rules you need to remember. And Saranamasthana Pratyaya except Sambuddhi follows Upadadhirgatvam. The Nakara of the Pratipratikam as well as the Padam will become Lopaha. Then Anantasya, the Nakara of the Pa, Anantasya Vasangikasya Akara, that becomes Lopaha. If you remember these 3, any Ananta Shabda, Pullinga, you can decline. Even Napumsakalinga also. Napumsakalinga, the same is going to apply. If you take Naman Shabda, for example, Naman, that is where we started. Naman plus Su, what will happen? You know it. Simple.
Nama.
Not Nama. No.
Nam. Okay, this is Saptam, is it?
Naman plus Su, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachan we are doing.
Okay.
Remember,
Okay.
Naman is,
Okay.
listen, Naman is Napumsakalinga Shabda. It is not Pullinga. Then what is Su?
It's not Sarvanamasthana.
Sarvanamasthana.
It's not Saranamastana. Therefore, Upada Dirgatvam, will it happen?
Will not happen.
Because it happens only when Saranamastana Pratyaya follows. In the case of Napumsakalinga, Su is not Saranamastana Pratyaya. Therefore, Upada Dirgatvam will not happen. Naman plus Sakara only. Sakara is Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya following a Al. Therefore, that will become
only Naman.
Lopaha. Naman you have.
Nama.
Then Nakara will become rule number 2. Nakara at the end of the Pratipadikam also that of a Padam will become Lopaha.
Lopaha.
Right?
Only
Therefore,
Nama.
Nama. This is Naman. Then Naman plus Au. What will happen? Naman plus Au. Au is a Saranamastana Pratyaya.
No, Asarvanamasthana.
But you have to remember this. We have to see the linga. Okay?
Yeah, Shashan just only.
Yeah,
Therefore,
only
it is. Therefore, what
it's
will
not.
happen? Opa
This
will
is
not happen.
also, yeah.
Naman plus Au will become
Naman plus Namano.
Nama Namano. We are looking at
Nama.
the Napumsakalinga.
Okay, Nama. Yeah, Nakara will.
No. How is there that we have to see? This is what we have to see. You have not seen. How will be replaced by E? Okay. How will be replaced by E? By E? What is replaced by E? That all we will see. Ungahashi. Then it becomes Namani. The form is Namani. One more optional form is that Namni also is there. We will see that later. Namani is fine now. Then the next one is what we are interested. That is Naman plus just. What is just for Napumsakalinga?
Sarvanamasthana. That is Sarvanamasthana.
That is Saranamastana. When Saranamastana Pratyaya follows, what will happen? To Upada.
Dirgha.
Therefore, it is
Naman.
Naman. Naman plus. Here
As.
As will be replaced by E.
Oh, again E. Okay.
This is that E is different. That is E. This is E.
Okay, short. Okay.
So therefore, what will happen?
Namani.
Not Namani. Namani.
Namani. Okay.
The E and E replacing this just and out, that we will see separate rules. That is what the speciality in Napumsakalinga. So the 4 forms are Nama, Namani, Namani. One more form is there here, that is Namni, that we will see later. Namni also is there. So Nama, Namani, Namni, Namani. Dvitiya also same. Nama, Namani, Namni, Namani. From Tritiya onwards, same as Rajan Shabda. From Tritiya is if you do Naman plus Ta. What is the Sanya Naman enjoys?
As
Pasanya. Therefore, what will happen?
akarasya lopaka bhavati.
When Akara Lopa happens, you will have
Namna.
Nam plus A. It will become Namna. That's what. Same as Rajan. Namna. That's why I said it is also commonly applied Ananta. Namna. Namna. Then Namabhyam. Namabhihi. Namne. Namabhyam. Namabhyaha. Namnaha. Namabhyam. Namabhyaha. Namnaha. Namnoho. Namnam. Then Namni. Only one form. Namnoho. Namasu. He Nama. That we have two forms. He Naman. We'll see that also. Then He Namani, He Namni, He Namani iti rupam. Right? So only few rules are there where this Namni comes that we have to see. We will see. This is a specialty for Napumsakalika. What about for Strilinga? Somebody, Ganesh, you asked Strilinga. Strilinga, what will happen? What is, how do you decline Rajan Shabda in Strilinga?
Ni.
So Raja,
How do you decline?
Rajano, Raja, Rajano, Rajanaha.
No. Rajana is Pullinga, Strilinga.
Pulling.
Hmm.
Strilinga.
Ni pratyaya shunya.
Very good. What is the pratyaya?
Ni pratyaya.
E pratyaya you have to add. To convert a Pullinga into Nakaranta Pullinga. Remember, not any Pullinga. Nakaranta Pullinga into Strilinga, add a E pratyaya. Now, what is this pratyaya? Is it a Sarvanamastana pratyaya?
Yes, Ji, Sarvanam.
Really? Where is Sarvanamastana pratyaya?
Only suit is sarvanama.
Hmm?
It's not sarvanama.
It is not Sarvanamastana pratyaya. It is a any pratyas other than Sarvanamastana pratyas or Asarvanamastana pratyaya.
Sarvanama.
What is very, how we call it Sarvanamastana pratyaya, Rameshwaraji? Su out, just out. For Pullinga and Strilinga. There is no pratyaya in Supratyaya. This is E pratyaya, right? Is there E pratyaya in Supratyayas? The 21 pratyayas? Is there any pratyayas? There are not.
No.
Not there. Then now it is Sarvanamastana pratyaya. So it is Asarvanamastana pratyaya. Now we have to give this Sanya Asarvanamastana pratyaya to this pratyaya. Now you know what will happen. When it is Asarvanamastana Ajadi pratyaya, then what is the Sanya this enjoys?
Padam. No.
No.
Ba
Ah.
Saknya.
Remember, Ba, okay. Ajadi Asarvanamastana pratyaya follows, Anga enjoys Sanya, Ba. Therefore, what will happen?
Akarasya lopaka bhavati.
Akarasya. When Akara becomes Lopaha, then what you will have?
Oh, then Chutva
Raj.
Sandhi happens.
Chutta Sandhi happens. Then
It become Ragni. It is Ragni.
that is what is Shabda. Ragni is now how do you decline?
Ragni, Ragnyaka.
Like what Shabda?
Nadi Shabda.
That's all over, right? It is what Ragni is. So Nakaranta, you have to convert to Strilinga by adding the pratyaya E. Is Ni pratyaya. Then it becomes Ikaranta Shabda. Understand, Ganeshji? So you asked that
Yes, sir.
Nakaranta Strilinga, what will happen? Convert that into, by adding al pratyaya, it becomes Ajanta Pratipadikam, Ragi, Nadi Shabdavat.
So it's like Strilinga in Shatra.
Strilinga, okay, the pratyaya you are talking
Similar.
about. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, a pratyaya. Shatra pratyaya also we convert that by adding a E pratyaya. Similarly, this also. Yes.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. So please go through this. The rules. Okay, you can try the shabdas. So Next class we'll do Naman Shabda. After Naman Shabda, we'll continue the infant reader. So it's little bit of Tinganta and Subanta. So the Shabda also you know. And if you take the Shabda Manjari, already we have seen Marut Shabda. You have Shabda Manjari, please see. Marut Shabda, Jalamut Shabda, and the sequentially many Shabdas we have seen. Maybe I'll quickly go through that the next class. If you see the Shabda Manjari you have, please see. In the Halanta Prakaranam, if you see the Halanta Prakaranam, I will show you. You can see the screen. He started with Marut, of course. Alanta Pullinga Prakaranam, Jalamuch Shabda, then Vanich Shabda, then Raj Shabda. Raj Andal, nothing but Sandhi only. You know, I'll know it. We'll do it quickly, maybe next class. Marut Shabda. Then Pachat Shabda, all are, these are Shatranta Shabdas. Dhimat is Taditanda Shabdas, same as simple only, this also. Then Mahat Shabda, then Suhrut Shabda, simple Shabda, all these are. One is by Sandhi we can do. Then starts Nakaranta Shabda. Even Mahavan we will see later. Leave that. Patina also is a special Shabda. Karin is Inanta Shabda. This we will see. And Rajan Vista Shabda. Next one. That page is missing in my book. Okay. This is page number is 39. After
Page 36 is missing.
36 and 37 missing. So in there only this Rajan Shabda comes Atman Shabda. So all the Alanta Prakaranam we are seeing one by one. All the Shabdas we have seen long back. You have to go back and see. Anyway, next class I will just quickly go through all the Shabda. Now we are seeing Nakaranta Shabda. That also we are going to complete. After this, we can see other Shabda, Sakaranta, etc. Right? Okay. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad Sharanji.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad, Shanji.
I'll send you the file.